Alright, easy Alex. So we are here on the beachfront and this is our first Facebook Live for this year 2026. So our easy random question for today is, of course, it's about New Year's resolution. Okay, so any New Year's resolution you want to share with us? O, sige. Ano yung mga New Year's resolution nyo? And ano na ba yung tinupad nyo? Okay? Have you or have we, kasama na ako doon, have we done or have we fulfilled our New Year's resolution? And ano nga ba itong mga New Year's resolution natin? Okay? So, kaya lang share ko lang to. Alright. Nood muna kayo dun sa beach. Pose. Alright. Posing. Posing. Alright. Sige, pagandahan ng posing. Posing showdown. Okay, here we go. Op. Alright. There they are. Ooh. Jump shot. Okay. Wow.